make some caramel chip cookies. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl with half a cup of flour, add a quarter teaspoon baking soda and a pinch of salt. Mix and set aside. In a bowl with 3 tablespoons of melted butter, add in 6 tablespoons of brown sugar and whisk until well combined. Add 1 egg yolk and mix until well combined. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix until smooth and creamy. Gradually add the flour mixture to the butter mixture. Add 1 tablespoon of milk and mix until well combined. Add in a half a cup of caramel chips and mix until well combined. Portion out the dough and place on a baking tray. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes.